In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Weebly website. If you no longer need a site in your Weebly account, the process is fairly quick, but it's important to pay close attention because deleting a website is permanent. Once it's removed, you generally won't be able to restore it on your own, so make sure you're deleting the correct site before you confirm anything. To begin, open Weebly and sign in to your account so you can access your website dashboard. This is the main area where your sites are managed. After logging in, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account, especially if you manage more than one website or have multiple projects stored in Weebly. Once you're inside your account, look toward the upper left corner or the side panel. This is where Weebly displays your list of websites. If you have several sites, scan the list carefully and identify the one you want to remove. It's a good idea to double check the site name before moving forward so you don't accidentally delete the wrong project. After you found the website you want to delete, hover over it if needed, or simply locate the options menu next to the site name. You should see a three-dot icon. Click those three dots to open the site management menu. This menu contains extra actions for that specific website, including the option to remove it. From that menu, choose Delete Site. As soon as you do that, Weebly will show you a warning prompt. This message is there to make sure you understand that deleting the site is a permanent action. In other words, this isn't something you can easily undo by yourself later. Read the warning carefully, confirm that you've selected the correct website, and then accept the prompt to continue. Once confirmed, Weebly will delete the site from your account. If the site disappears from your website list, that means the deletion has been completed successfully. One final tip before you do this: if there's any content, text, images, or design elements you may want to keep, make sure you save or back them up in advance. That way you won't lose anything important after the site is gone. And that's all it takes to delete a Weebly website. Follow these steps carefully, confirm the correct site, and you'll be able to remove it safely from your account.